Hello, hello! Today we will be making a symmetrical design. Well, I'm very excited for this one. Are you? Well, then let's see what do we have in our book. We see an intricate, detailed, symmetrical design right here. At first, let's make a line in the center. And after that, let's start by making this design. Well, we see quite a lot of overlapping parts in this design. At first, let's start by drawing all of it. Even if you overlap it on top of one another, that is completely alright. Let's go very slow and make this design. If you notice, this design does not have any straight lines. It's a freehand symmetrical design with only curves. Let's start by making only the left side. And after that, we will take our pencil and scale to measure the left part. For example, if this is 2 centimeters, then let's mark a point on the right hand side at 2 centimeters from the center line. After that, let's take all the major points, something like this, and make these parts. Yes, we are going to make dots like this and then complete it on the right hand side as well. Take all the important marks or pointers on the right side and then start by drawing your design. Go very slow while drawing it. Let's make all the overlapping parts together. Go very slow while making it. Yes, if you notice, it is an identical drawing on the right hand side as well. Yes, it's a mirror image. This looks amazing. Let's erase the center line and the points which we have made on the right hand side for the drawing. Let's remake the drawing a little wherever it's erased. And make sure that you erase all the overlapping parts as well. That's awesome. The next thing we do is take white color in 3 palettes. You know why we are doing that? This is because all the colors we are going to use are pastel colors or light colors. At first, let's take some green color and mix it with white. Well, we need a very light green shade. Hence, we are going to take more of white and less of green and then paint all the green areas. You do not have to worry if your shade is different than what it's mentioned in the book. Take a very thin brush, maybe a 2 number or a 0 number brush, and start painting these parts. Let's take blue color and mix it with white. And then let's take very little purple color and mix it right here. We got a beautiful lavender color. Yes, a light lavender. Let's go ahead by painting this part now. Go very slow while painting these parts. Try and do the outline first and then color only in one direction. If you feel that your paintbrush is a little dried out, you can dip the paintbrush in the paint and take more paint. At any point of time, make sure that your brush is not dragging on top of the paper. It needs to move smoothly so that the painting looks flawless. This looks brilliant. The next thing we do is take a little bit of red or pink color and merge it with this white color right here. And then start by painting this beautiful drawing with pink color. Go very slow while painting this. And make sure that you do not make any mistake. Try and do the outline and then paint only in one direction. We will make sure that we do not see any patches in the drawing. And look at that, our symmetrical design is ready.